Market update time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Hey traders, I've just recorded the video walking you through my ultimate trading system. This has been my most powerful trading system for the last 10 years or more. You're going to absolutely love this. Click on the box above that says ultimate trading system and you're going to see all the details. I'm going to give you the whole system absolutely free. Alright, hey traders, quick market update for you today. Another day in the Dow with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Just another nice update. What's that? 0.7%. This whole move here, guys, is just, you know, if I'm totally honest with you guys, you could see it by looking at the charts, that we're about to get some strong buyers out of here, and I totally missed it. I really did. I totally missed it. So I'll get into that a bit later on, how I could see how this whole pattern through here. Maybe I'll talk about another day, but there was a pattern here by looking at the weekly chart and looking at the daily chart that was showing that, hey, we could actually start to explode into some strong buyers here in a minute. So any event, so let's actually continue here, guys. But looking at this market here, looking at the way that these indices are, this thing has just gone up and just up and up and up and up and up and up. And I'm telling you right now, guys, the hardest thing about going through what we're going through right now is that you don't know when it's going to end. But when it does end, we are going to get some severe pullback. I'm not calling it a crash, but we know it's going to get severe pullback, right? If you go back and do your history, if you go back and look at your study in history, you will know that by looking at the charts, you'll know that when this pulls back, and that's the question, when, we don't know. This thing could just keep going up. It's got some serious volume still behind it. So, but when it pulls back, then we know it's going to be severe. So the question is, when's that going to happen? Well, let's actually look at that. Let's actually go have a look at some indicators, and let me show you what I see on the indicators, because this is quite interesting to see what's going on through here. So you can see what's going on through here, guys. This is just my indicator screen, and I just use this probably 10% of the time. You know, the 90% of the time I'm just looking at the charts, because the charts, I want to look at the dailies, the weeklies, the monthlies, and get a good look at what the actual price action the chart is telling me first, and then I'll look at the indicators. But knowing we're overextended right now, look what we're getting here. So we are due for a reversal. We really are, and I believe it's going to happen over the next couple of weeks, maybe even this week with the Fed announcement. I don't know, but let's actually have a look at this here. So, so you can see. Look at this here. So you can see we've had this nice move up through here, and we've had my slow stochastic. This is I have two stochastics here, and I'll explain the reasons why a bit later on. But I think they're very powerful when they come in the combination of different things I'm looking for. But the combination also, one of the combinations is this here, where we got the fast up, because there's slow stochastic coming up through here, and you got this a potential like divergence happening through there. You see it through there? But then also look at the RSI. The RSI has not been over here. It has not been here for a long time, guys. And I'm telling you right now, it won't stay up here. It just won't. You can see the normalies are here, so it will pull back. And that's the reason why, guys, it's dangerous buying it up here. I wouldn't short it up here either, because you don't know how much the volume's going to keep pushing this up. So for me, guys, I'm just telling you, like maybe this week the market starts pulling back. Maybe it is this week. Looking at that's the SLV. S&P 500, again with the indicators, you can actually see that, you know, we could be potentially getting some sort of divergence on the actual stochastics. RSI is getting now into the overbought section, so they are all in the overbought section right now. The Dow Jones and the S&P are now coming together with the overboughtness, but not a lot of volume on the S&P. Isn't that interesting? See, everything's been shoved into the Dow, but not the S&P 500, which is really interesting. So you got that through there, and then let's go have a look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, looking at the indicators, the Nasdaq is not overbought yet because it really hasn't had a big run to the high side. It's made another new high for the year, and you can see what the stochastic's doing through there. So we could potentially get some sort of divergence through there with the indicators. So just let me just go through here. The VIX for me, guys, you can see it looks like we could get some sort of powerful divergence through here. And this is where, again, guys, I'm happy still staying on my VIX here. I was just looking to get out of them just recently and to cut my losses and just move on to another trade because I know I can make it up on another trade. But for me, guys, this divergence through here setting up, this is very, very, very powerful, guys. When the slow stochastic comes down through here and the fast stochastic starts to build divergence, very, very powerful. Look at this through here. Right, we're at this slowdown and the fast starting to build above there, and you can see the powerful move that you can see from there, and then we actually end up having a move up through there. So especially on the actual markets itself too, guys, sometimes some stocks when this happens, and it's just powerful. Anyway, if you can have if you have that sort of setup and it's at some sort of weekly support level as well too, as the market's been coming down, then that's quite powerful. So anyway, so that's that through there. Looking at the transportation average again, we could be getting some sort of divergence, and I do believe that you can see here, this divergence here, could be the thing that could be the thing that's sending this down. But I do believe we're likely to get some sharp pullback real soon, guys, real soon. The question is when. No one really knows what's going to happen there. So yeah, the market's going on through here, guys, and we can see. And we can see that there's, that's what's happening through there. So looking at, let's have a quick look at silver and gold, guys. So silver and gold, looking at silver and gold and all my indicators, looks like silver and gold might be getting a pullback here soon. We may actually get maybe another decent pullback here. You can see where my stochastics are. So it may be due for another pullback. It's really hard to say with silver and gold, and looking at the gold market as well too. So looking at the gold markets, looks like we could potentially get one of those setups. Look at this here, it's down at 4. And the last time we're down at 4 was here. And as you can see, guys, the last time we had that combination, we had my slow stochastics. I had my slow stochastics coming down through here, and then I had my faster stochastics here. See the divergence through there? It's exactly what's happening right now, right? We've got the slowdown, and we've got a potential divergence coming up soon. And then that there was the bottom for a run to the high side. So anyway, guys, that's it for me. Have a great day. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, face your fears today. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to get more free education about trading, then click on the box that says free trading course. This is a free trading course. It goes for around 12 hours long. It's about 12 videos long. Covers everything from chart reading, mindset, trading systems, money management, trade management, everything you need to get yourself ahead in the markets. And if you'd like to get my help personally, then click on the box that says get John's help, and you'll be able to see how you can get my help personally. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.